after mũrũrũngano hena narrative ndona ĩkĩgeria gũkorwo ĩkĩpushwo na specifically mũndũ ũrĩa ndona among andũ arĩa me frontline nĩ Jem Williams. Jem Williams akoretwo comedian as per se, kana mũndũ wa act skits, kana I don't know, but akoretwo mũndũ wa content na recently nĩ akoretwo akĩonania anti opposition kana in support of the government mwena wa Ruto muno, na nĩ akoretwo nginya agĩthondeka skits cia gũkorwo akĩmũk Gachagua, akiuga atĩ Gachagua doesn't need to go and ask the people of the mountain kama yeye ndio kiongozi wao, they will just tell him. Koguo kona hena kaundu mũndũ ũyũ enako against Rigathi Gachagua, and until rĩrĩa gwakinya Wednesday hwainĩ ndakorwo ngĩona reaction yake tu maandamano. Nĩro ndakorwo ngĩconfirm ũhoro ũyũ tondũ athi na mbere na kũrĩa Facebook-inĩ yake na gũkorwo akĩandĩka atĩ ũngĩrora maandamano ma 2024 it was authentic, peaceful and it had an impact, but for 2025 it has a tribal backing. Warora statement yo umecombine na inege, you realize that they all have the same conclusion, like the maandamano had a tribal backing, because statement inege rauga from Kikuyus, and so they are bringing the card of tribalism again. Gerora maandamano macio ma umuthi, I didn't see any place or anywhere andũ makorirwo makĩbishana kana makiũrania wewe unaitwa aje jina ya pili. Dinona ona toria tuona maandamano ma baba iko one side peke yake. Dinona like the maandamano was so general to every youth of the country, and so maũndũ maya marakorwo makĩonania Jem Williams is under someone's payroll, na ndio makorwo makimukirira muno guku nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria. In fact hadi amehave kuambiwa ukweli tu, amehave kuambiwa manze tumekuwa tukikuhurumia kukusikiza na kucheka jokes zako. So sad. No ndirarigwo muno gĩtũmi kĩa Jem Williams having such guts and audacity. Posting hizo ciake nginya kuna zenye nazima comments na anachekelea wasi. Na ukiangalia hivi drona minds tashi ya Garo ya Junior. Warora Jem Williams no umuhe kagite ũguo, but what do you guys think about this? Agikorwo nginya hena mũbango wa gũkorwo makimuk a Kenya kana youth a Kenya na njĩra ĩno, then what is the plan that William Ruto has right now? Ni mũbango ũrĩkũ enaguo after the maandamano na imeonekana ni impactful todo ndona nginya Al Jazeera, CNN, BBC station icio ciothe nĩ ciakorwo cigĩcover ũhoro and very many international media. So what is the plan of William Ruto? Agĩkorwo mũbango wake nĩ kuga atĩ mũrũrũngano ũcio nĩ tribal na atĩ gũbangĩtwo nĩ Gachagua, then drona something is going to happen soon. Todo Rigathi Gachagua ona ndakoretwo and I think that is where Rigathi Gachagua akoretwo akiavoid kuma Sunday Kalonzo Musyoka nĩ mathiĩte kũrĩa kanitha-inĩ mena federa cia Kenya meyohete nginya Ndegwa Njirũ, DAP-K leader Eugene Wamalwa, but Rigathi Gachagua was not there. Arĩ Meru muthenya wa umuthi wa maandamano, muthenya wa Wednesday maandamano tuona Kalonzo magĩthi gwĩkĩra kũigĩrĩra mahũa harĩa Parliament Road. Rigathi Gachagua was not there. Auma headquarter ya kĩama kĩa DCP welcome new members. I think he knew nĩ gũkorwo kĩigĩrĩrwo ũhoro ũyũ and ona ategũkorwo involved na opposition ũrĩa mareka thaa ici in support of the demonstrators. Alichoose kukaa nje ndio hata hizo allegations kikuja manzi atasema niona dikoreto uhoro-inĩ ũcio wa Gen Z. And I think the government is panicking in a very big way, because how do you blame Rigathi Gachagua on everything? Okaundu kahanekire nĩ Rigathi Gachagua, nĩ Gachagua wa Mombi's house imeatakiwa kulevyo na watu si hatujui ni akina nani. Nĩ Rigathi Gachagua, maandamano bũrũri mũgima nginya Eldoret, Kericho. Nĩ Rigathi Gachagua kakĩrĩ na mbeca atĩa cia kũrĩha andũ acio othe. It's logic.
Na sio kulipwa mumelipwa.
Sio kulipwa. One thing, igava ili to promise a lot.
Yes.
Kiwatch hizo videos, tulidanganywa sana.
Nimonitie volume hapo kwako.
Whereas hata heri hata mtu wako to promise. Alafu wana use hata religion in the wrong way. Unasimama kanisa. Alafu unaongea uongo, unaua. People are dying like it's nothing.
Yeah.
At this rate Nairobi mbu hazikufi kama watu.
Manzi.
So like tuna fight for people.
Yeah.
Tuna fight for our rights.
Yeah.
Tunataka at least it's not about anyone, it's about us. This
Yes.
is our nation. Politicians wamefanya like this is their bedroom.
Yeah.
Na tukaonyesha wao ni watchmen, sisi ndio wenye nyumba.
Wow.
Yes.
Niwahakikishie ya kwamba tutafanya bidii, mimi kama kiongozi wa taifa hii kwa mapenzi ya Mungu, nikisaidiwa na baba hapa na viongozi wengine wote, tutaunganisha taifa letu la Kenya iwe ni mahali hakuna chuki, hakuna ukabila, hakuna kisirani, sote tunaishi kama ndugu moja, watu wa taifa moja, na tushughulike na mambo ya maendeleo ya taifa letu la Kenya.
Ndio maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. It's going to be a very interesting time in politics. I can't wait kuigua the next speech ya William Ruto, ũrĩa ekwaria, maũndũ marĩa ekuga, na ya Deputy President Kithure Kindiki thutha wa kuga kujeni mtanipata. Ndio maoni maku. Guys, you can comment down there and tell us